Hello guys, in this video we will learn about how to download and install Node.js on Windows. So open your browser and search for Node.js. You will get this first link appear here, nodejs.org. Just click on this and you will get this website. So from the main menu, please select download and you will get the download page. From there are various type of options to install Node.js. I will choose pre-built installer. Here are some Node.js versions are available. Currently there is 22.9.0 is the latest version at the creation of this video, and LTS is 20.18.0, which means latest stable version is 20.18.0. so I will recommend you to choose latest stable version. Hit on this. I will select operating system as Windows because I am using Windows, and click on download. So we have successfully downloaded .msi file, which is about 25 megabytes, and let's open this up. Let me minimize the browser. As you can see, this is the first interface of installing the Node.js. Just click on next and you will get this license term agreement window. Check this checkbox and hit on next. Here the default location where Node.js will installed. I will recommend you to leave it as default. If you want to change, you can. Then click on next and again click on next, and here is the window for native modules. I will recommend you to check this checkbox so that it will download necessary native modules automatically, and hit on next and hit on install. So it will ask you for the system permission. Please click on yes to start installing Node.js on your machine. So as you can see, we have successfully installed Node.js. Click on finish and this command prompt you will get. This is appear because we have checked to automatically download native modules. So press any key from the keyboard and it will again ask you for the permission. So just click on yes and it will open PowerShell. Okay, so I will make it minimize this so it will download in background. Okay, so let's just verify whether the Node.js is installed or not. How will you verify this? So press Ctrl R and type cmd and hit enter. Basically you need to open command prompt or your machine. Type node-v for checking Node.js version. So as you can see, we have successfully installed 20.18.0. and let me just open node command prompt. Type node and you will enter to the node CLI. Let's do some arithmetic operation here. 9 plus 9 equal to 18. 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. Let me do a console log hello Elkick. Okay, so it will simply print hello Elkick. Okay, so we have verified that Node.js is successfully installed. Let me just exit this command. Okay, so let's go ahead and write some basic program for the running the server. So open your browser and search for sample Node.js project. You will get this introduction to Node.js website. Just click on this, scroll down and you will get this code here. So just copy this code and go to the download, and I will save that code file here. So for that, let me open the VS Code here. If you don't know how to download and install VS Code, then please do check out our video. I will give link in the description. Okay, so let's create a file and paste it the code. Let's save this file. Okay, type hello.js and hit on save, and the file is creating. As you can see, we have successfully created a hello.js. So let me just go through briefly about this code. We'll see much more detail in the upcoming videos. Okay, so here is the import statement, which is importing create server for creating a server. This is the host name, which is 127.0.0.1. It is basically a local host. and here is the port number on which you are running your server. This piece of code block is indicating that we are creating a server which is expecting two parameters and returning the status code as 200 and setting up response header as plain text plain. So we have different type of content type for returning the response like JSON and plain text and HTML and others. This response will send hello world. This code block is suggesting server is listening on this port on this host. So in our case, port number is 3000 and host name is localhost, which is 127.0.0.1. So let's just run this program. So we'll check whether it is running fine or not. Go to the download and open command prompt, cmd. Make sure you are in the folder where your hello.js is saved. So just type node hello.js. As you can see, our server is successfully running on localhost on 3000. Okay, so open your browser and type 127 or 3000. As you can see, we have hello world printed in browser. Instead of 127.0.0.1, you can also use localhost. Let me just show you. Okay, so it will returning the same output. Let me just do some changes in the file and let run it again. I type hello Elkick exclamatory mark and then just go to the command prompt again and restart the server. Okay, as we restart the server, refresh this page and as you can see we are getting hello Elkick from the server. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, subscribe and comment.